Problem 16, Quantum Mechanics. The question is, the expectation value of the x component of the orbital angular momentum Lx in the state psi equal to 1 by 5 within bracket 3 psi 21 minus 1 plus root 5 psi 210 minus root 11 psi 211, where psi nlm are the eigenfunctions in usual notation is. We have to find out the expectation value of the x component of the orbital angular momentum Lx in the state psi. We have Lx equal to L plus L minus by 2, where L plus and L minus are ladder operators. When L plus operates on the state Lm, you will get h bar root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m plus 1 L m plus 1. And when L minus operates on Lm, you will get h bar root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m minus 1 L m minus 1. That is, when L plus operates on Lm, you will get a new state L m plus 1, and when L minus operates on Lm, you will get a new state L m minus 1. The eigenvalues of L plus is h bar root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m plus 1, and the eigenvalues of L minus is h bar root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m minus 1. Now we have to find out the expectation value of Lx. Before that, let us check whether the given wave function psi is normalized or not. For that purpose, let us take the inner product of psi with itself, that is psi, which is equal to 9 by 25 plus 5 by 25 plus 11 by 25, that is equal to 1. That is, the given wave function psi is normalized and no need to introduce a normalization constant. Now we have to evaluate the expectation value of Lx. Now that is equal to psi Lx psi. We can write it as psi. Instead of Lx, you have L plus L minus over 2, then psi. This is equal to 1 by 2 into, within bracket, psi L plus psi. That is expectation value of L plus psi L minus psi. Now let us separately evaluate what is psi L plus psi and what is psi L minus psi. This is the formula to find out the expectation value of Lx. Let us find out what is psi L plus psi. To find out this, first let us evaluate what is L plus psi. What happens when L plus operates on the given state psi? L plus psi can be written as 3 by 5 L plus psi 21 minus 1 plus root 5 by 5 L plus psi 210 minus root 11 by 5 L plus psi 211. Now let us use the formula L plus Lm. You will get L plus psi is equal to 3 by 5 h bar, then root 2, and the state is psi 210. Psi 210 plus root 5 by 5 h bar root 2 psi 211 minus root 11 by 5 h bar into 0. So L plus psi equal to 3 by 5 h bar root 2 psi 210 plus root 5 by 5 h bar root 2, that is root 10 by h bar psi 211. Now what is psi L plus psi? Let us evaluate psi L plus psi, and this is equal to 3 by 5 h bar root 2 root 5 by 5, then the inner product of psi 210 with itself, psi 210 plus root 10 by h bar root 10 h bar by 5 minus root 11 by 5, the inner product of psi 211 with itself. Now inner product of psi 210 with itself is 1, and inner product of psi 211 with itself is also 1. Therefore, the expectation value of L plus or psi L plus psi is equal to, and after simplification you will get 1 by 25 root 10 3 minus root 11 h bar. This is the value of psi L plus psi. Now in the same way, let us evaluate what is psi L minus psi. To find psi L minus psi. To evaluate this parameter, let us first evaluate what is L minus psi. What happens when L minus operates on the given state psi? Now L minus psi is nothing but 3 by 5 L minus psi 21 minus 1, 3 by 5 L minus psi 21 minus 1 plus root 5 by 5 L minus psi 210 minus root 11 by 5 L minus psi 211. This is equal to 3 by 5. The first term is 3 by 5 L minus psi 21 minus 1. When L minus operates on psi 21 minus 1, the answer is 0. So our first term becomes 0. The second term is root 5 by 5 L minus psi 210. Then root 5 by 5 h bar root 2 psi 21 minus 1 minus root 11 by 5 root 2 psi 210. So psi L minus psi, which is equal to root 5 by 5 3 by 5 h bar root 2 psi 21 minus 1 with psi 21 minus 1 minus root 11 by 5 root 2 h bar root 5 by 5 psi 210 psi 210. So the answer is 1 by 25. Root 10 3 minus root 11 h bar. Therefore, psi L minus psi will become 1 by 25 root 10 3 minus root 11 h bar. Now let us find out what is the expectation value of Lx. That is the sum of psi L plus psi and psi L minus psi divided by 2. One by 2 root 10 by 25 3 minus root 11 h bar plus root 10 by 25 3 minus root 11 h bar, and the answer is h bar root 10 by 25 into 3 minus root 11.